Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Delta Crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in delta.exchange and click on enter. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of Delta Crypto. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a login option here. Click on it. Now, a login page will appear where you need to type in your email address associated with your Delta Crypto account. After that, type in your password. You can also view your password by clicking on this I button to make sure that you have typed your password correctly. Now, click on Login button to log into your Delta Crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forget Password link, which is right below a login button, and follow the procedures to recover your password. So that is how you can log into your Delta Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.